Guys, good evening. So, we will unbox now the Tilus Digital Treats 2024. So, first thing, ito ang bag ng ating Fiesta Ham, but sa tusina, sa freezer siya. So, alam nyo naman kung ano tsura nyon. So, let's go to the next bag. So, this is how actually it goes. So, season's greetings from Tilus Digital. So, let's check kung ano. Mag-unbox tayo kung ano yung laman niya. Okay, so first, macaroni. Okay, and then we have this. So, mango juice drink. So, meron na tayong juice. Favorite to siya ni Kuya.